Click the light of a brand new page, from Addis streets to a global stage. Knowledge flowing like a blue Nile stream. Ethio Tech, the future's dream. Screens are glowing, lessons showing. Wires buzzing, minds are growing. Ethio Tech review where the stars align. Learning leaps across the line. Log in, tune and see what's next. Ethio Tech review is the best. Ethio Tech review is the best. Wi-Fi whispers wisdom's tune. Morning light or midnight moon. Ideas sparking, hearts on fire. Building bridges, climbing higher. Pixels dancing, futures chancing. Every click a dream advancing. Ethio Tech review where the stars align. Learning leaps across the line. Log in, tune in, see what's next. Ethio Tech review is the best. Ethio Tech review is the best. Ethio Tech review is the best. Click the light of a brand new page, from Addis streets to a global stage. Knowledge flowing like the blue Nile stream. Ethio Tech, the future's dream. Screens are glowing, lessons showing. Wires buzzing, minds are growing. Ethio Tech review where the stars align. Learning leaps across the line. Log in, tune and see what's next. Ethio Tech review is the best. Ethio Tech review where the stars align. Learning leaps across the line. Log in, tune and see what's next. Ethio Tech review is the best. It's the best. It's the best. Wi-Fi whispers wisdom's tune. Morning light or midnight moon. Ideas sparking, hearts on fire. Building bridges, climbing higher. Pixels dancing, futures chancing. Every click a dream advancing. Ethio Tech review where the stars align.